The plastic is dumped at the mega recycling facility.
But a new hope has arrived. Meet the world's biggest ocean cleaning machine.
The system uses ocean currents to trap the plastic naturally. A massive conveyor belt scoops up the concentrated trash.
Tons of waste are removed from the ecosystem every hour. Leaving behind nothing but clean, blue water.
The ship carries a mountain of plastic back to the shore.
At the port, the waste is unloaded for recycling.
This trash is about to get a second life. The plastic is dumped at the mega recycling facility. First, the waste must be sorted and cleaned. Workers remove non-plastic items like wood and metal.
A giant drum washes away the salt and sand.
Advanced lasers sort the plastic by type and color. The clean plastic is fed into the shredder.
It is chopped into small flakes, ready for melting.
One final intense wash removes all labels and glue. Hot air dries the flakes completely. These clean flakes are the raw material for new products.
The flakes are melted down to create uniform pellets.
The molten plastic is extruded into long strands.
A rotary cutter chops the strands into rice-sized pellets. These blue pellets are recycled ocean plastic, ready for molding.
Now, let's turn this trash into treasure.
The screw pushes the pellets into the heating zone.
The plastic reaches melting point again.
Ready for injection.
Precision is key for the final product.
Colors can be mixed for unique designs.
The recycled plastic is used to make durable shoe soles.
A brand new sneaker sole, made from ocean waste. It can also be molded into stylish sunglasses.
Or spun into polyester fiber for clothing.
Turning bottles into t-shirts.
Heavy-duty lumber for park benches.
Skilled workers assemble the final sneaker. Polishing ensures a smooth, premium finish.
Stitching the future of fashion.
Final touches are added by hand.
Even the packaging is 100% recycled. Ready to be worn under the sun.
Clothing that cleans the ocean. Orders are ready for shipment worldwide.
Shipping solutions, not pollution. Completing the circle of recycling. Available now in stores near you. Available now in stores near you.
From pollution to solution.
Look at this. The ocean is cleaner, and we have cool products. Win-win.
Let's save the planet together. Smash like and subscribe to Rising Story USA. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Rising Story USA.